Hey there! If you're like me, always looking for a quick, family-pleasing meal, then this one's for you. Today, I'm sharing my go-to recipe for delicious homemade orange chicken. Trust me, it's all about the sauce. For years, I have struggled to make the perfect orange chicken. The store-bought sauces were either too spicy or too artificial tasting, and making my own sauce from scratch felt like a never-ending battle with too many ingredients. But finally, I've cracked the code. I found a simple and quick sauce recipe that has been a family favorite. It's easy, flavorful, and comes together in just minutes. Let me show you how to make it. You'll need 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2/3 cups of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of butter, and the most important ingredient, 5 to 8 drops of wild orange essential oil. Make sure it's CPTG so you know it's extra safe to take internally. Start by adding these ingredients to a small saucepan. Then bring it to a boil over medium-high heat while stirring constantly. As the sauce thickens, let me tell you about the star ingredient, wild orange essential oil. Not only does it add a bright, citrusy flavor, but it also brings some amazing health benefits. Wild orange is packed with antioxidants and helps boost your immunity and mood. So you're not just making a tasty dish, but you're also nourishing your family. There it goes, it's starting to thicken. And you know, for a healthier option, you can always add stevia instead of sugar. Our sauce is just about done. When the sauce thickens, it's ready to go. I like to air fry some chicken strips, cut them into bite-sized pieces, and pour this delicious orange sauce over them. Serve it with rice, and you're good to go. For some added nutrition, I love to throw in some vegetables, broccoli, water chestnuts, peas, snow peas, and even pineapple, because I believe everything is always better with pineapple in it. It's seriously a win for all ages. I hope this easy orange chicken recipe helps you make your life just a little easier. It's quick, easy, and a real crowd pleaser. Don't forget the wild orange essential oil. It makes all the difference. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with more family-friendly natural recipes.